Once upon a time, there was a witch called Meg. At midnight, the owl hooted 3 times and woke her up. She got out of bed to dress for the spell party. She
Batting camel's hump, bring me some food for my brunch.
She took out of her cupboard 3 eggs. Bread. Cocoa. Milk. A fish. And jam. She put it all in her cauldron and stirred it up.
Ding, ding, ding. Boom.
There was plenty of breakfast for everyone. At 1 o'clock, she got her broomstick, her cauldron, and a spider, and she flew up the chimney with Mog. Up in the sky, she met her friends going to the party. Bess, Jess, Tess, and Cress. They landed on a hill in the moonlight to make the spell. Each of them had brought something to put in the cauldron. This is what they put in: a frog, a beetle, a worm, a bat, and a spider.
Abracadabra!
They all stirred the cauldron as they chanted their spell. There was a flash and a bang. Something had gone wrong. Bess, Jess, Tess, and Cress all changed into mice, and Mog chased them. I'll have to change them back next Halloween.
I am also a witch, but I'm not Meg. Do you remember what Meg put on for the spell party? What did she put on? Say it together. First, she put on her black stockings. Yes, that's right. And next, she put on her big black shoes. And then what did she put on? Can you tell me? Yes, she put on her long black cloak. And finally, what did she put on? She put on her tall black hat. That's very good. After Meg had dressed up as a witch, she went to the Halloween spell party. She flew up to the sky with Mog to meet her friends. Bess, Jess, Tess, and Cress. Each of them had brought something to put in the cauldron. Do you remember what they put in the cauldron? There were all sorts of horrible things to eat. What were they? First, a frog. Second, a beetle. Then, a worm. What next? A bat. And finally, a spider. What other animals and insects would you like to put in the cauldron to make a spell? You think about that! Now you join in, all of you! Abracadabra! Frog in a bog, bat in a hat, snap, crackle, pop, and fancy that! But something went wrong. I think it was something to do maybe the Wicked Queen. How about a monster? Or even Dracula? Why would you like to be one of these characters? How would you dress yourself up? Talk to your classmates about it and enjoy sharing the fun together.